Hi, this is Andy Bartley, and I would like to present my project for GIS 540, Programming Fundamentals. I work for the electric department of the town of Edenton, North Carolina, in Chowan County. Over the past 18 months, I have developed a GIS for the purpose of managing, maintaining, and upgrading the electric infrastructure. One of my goals is to provide the Electric Utilities Director an ArcMap interface with the capacity to easily edit map features according to changes made in the utility infrastructure. Through the use of Python and VBA programming, I have made considerable progress towards this goal. A customized ArcMap interface with toolbar buttons will, depending on the button, display a dialog window, prompt for appropriate user input, or simply call a Python script to perform an editing task. The main feature of this project is a button labeled Add New Data. It calls a Python script which adds new records to one of 3 ArcMap document feature class layers based on data collected using a GPS device. First, I'd like to show you 2 other simple and fairly self-explanatory buttons, Add Layer and Remove Layer. They both display user forms which accept user input. The Browse button allows the user to select a layer file from a specified directory and add it to the form. The form then allows the user to either add or remove the layer to or from the map. As I said earlier, the main focus of my project is this Add New Data button. The working scenario is that spatial and tabular data has been collected in the field correlating with new equipment recently added to Edenton's electric infrastructure. The data obtained using a GPS device has been loaded into the New Points featured class, and the tabular data has been entered to the appropriate Excel worksheet. You'll notice if I roll my mouse over the New Points features, the name associated to them using a GPS device in the field will display as a map tip. The same is true for the target features, to which these new points will be appended. They are symbolized according to the feature type, where circles are utility poles, triangles are transformers, and squares are what we call switching cabinets. The different colors indicate different circuits. The tool requires no user input parameters, so all we need to do is click the button. Let's give it a try. Okay, now after a brief 5 or 6 minutes, the tool has completed successfully and reported the results. Some of the new points were given names of pre-existing features in the map, and some were given invalid names. These were filtered out, and the remaining points were added to the map according to what type of feature they represent, as indicated by the name they were given. You'll notice that the newly added features inherited the symbology of the layers their names associated them to.
Now that should save time and the trouble of learning all the ins and outs of an ArcMap edit session for the Electric Utilities Director. Thanks for listening.